here we are on the dance floor, so let's do one more figure using the elements you learned on other chapters. So we'll show you first normal speed, and then we'll explain side, cross and cross, rock step together, walk, quick, quick, slow.
So now, together, let us show you one more time, and you are going to see why the leader is crossing a little more open and she's crossing a little tighter. We are going to show you that in a second. Side step. We're going to move front, sending her into the cruzada, diagonal, zack, tack. Now, a step in front, zoom, to do the rebote, rebound, rock, step, feet together. I was mentioning that I'm tilting a little bit, so I make sure she transfers weight to her right leg. So, zook, I'm going to exaggerate, boom, a little tilting down while we change body weight. And from here, slow, quick, quick, slow. For the leader, one more time, something that I would like to mention from this side is the cruzada. Yes. So from here, we are doing side step, one. We are doing this, one. And did you notice that her cruzada, her cross is a little tighter than ours? We are not here. Why? Because if I cross here, next step will be too much on top of her and she will collapse back. So when we cross here, this way we are ready. When we do the next step, we are in front of her, not on top of her. Zoom, and then rock, step for next part. That is very, very important about the cruzada. Yes, so that's something that I would like to mention.
For the followers, let's go here. We have to show you how we change the angle of the hips because of the leader is leading that position. The torso is always front. We do a side step, rotate. This is a lead that he's giving to angle the hips, diagonal. Not much like don't do ocho because that's too much crossing in front. Is diagonal, back with your left. On your right, when you transfer body weight, you feel the displacement. So we are going to the cross. Keep the right leg in front of the left and don't return the hips to position. It's all in this angle. Change body weight and again extending the left leg back. From here, now he changed again the angle. I feel to go on rock step all on my right side. So I have to pivot to feel the rock step on my right side with the right leg. Now he will pull for us to go back to the left. And from here, change body weight when you feel this lead to your right to go to resolution, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now on the rock step, we have to be sure to do toes, don't get down heavy on the heels. So that happened because with the left arm, I'm feeling when he pulls to go back to my left. So if we do only the rock step, we go rock step, I feel the pull. Rock step, I feel the pull. So I'm not getting to fit together my left. It's only rock step and the left wants to go back to the left. So you will, if you see it from the front, we go 1 and 2. The dynamic to close is 1 and 2, fast. Like we did before, be careful, don't go slow to the feet together, is 1 and 2, kind of fast. So then you can keep the timing, the rhythm for Milonga.
One more time for the timing. So we are doing this. We go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. That'll be the timing that we are going to be using. So let us rotate, show you from the other side.
Let's count with numbers. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8.